Hi guys, this is Tuan Nguyen and welcome to Passive Income Group, where we show you how to generate passive income in the digital space. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to very quickly set up your Trust wallet so that way you can start trading and actually securing your cryptocurrencies on here immediately, right here in this video. All right, guys, welcome back. So the first thing you want to do is, depending if you have iOS or Android, you want to go to either your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you go there, you want to search for Trust Wallet. Now, be careful on what you download. There's a lot of hackers and scammers out there. So look for the logo with the shield, the blue shield. So once you've downloaded it, then the next thing you want to do is open up the app. And the first thing you're going to see is it's going to say private and secure. And if you already have a wallet that you want to import over, you're more than welcome to do so. And you can click on I already have a wallet. Now, I'm assuming that most of you are brand new to the space and you just want to create a new wallet. So simply click on the blue button that says create a new wallet. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and agree to the fact that you want to make sure you secure your 12 words. Just in case that you actually lose your phone, the only way that you can recover your assets and your original wallet through Trust Wallet is through the 12 words. And so you literally can actually get a new phone, you can get a new device, you can download Trust Wallet, and then you can import everything back with these 12 words. So don't lose it. Make sure you write it down. Don't trust taking a picture of it, okay? So press continue. From here, you have your 12 words. So go ahead and write it down. Once you're done writing it down, press the blue button that says continue. From here, it's going to confirm that you wrote everything down correctly. Go ahead and actually write it down in the correct order. Once you're done punching it in the correct order, press the blue button that says continue. And from that point forward, you officially have already fully set up your Trust wallet. Press OK. And from here, you can actually add different assets on here. Many of you will be participating in several different projects on here. This is all built in specifically for the Binance Smart Chain or the Binance Network. So what that means is that many of the transactions that you're gonna do is gonna require BNB Smart Chain. So many of you might be mistaken with one or the other easily. You'll notice that there's two similar logos. There's a gold one and then there's a black one. The gold one is the official BNB, or also known as Binance Coin. And then there's also BNB Smart Chain, which is the black logo. And so many of the projects that you might be able to participate in will require the black one. And to have it, it's actually really simple. Simply, first thing you need to do is actually have BNB, the gold version, sent to this wallet. How do you do that? Simply click on BNB, the gold one, click on receive, and then here is the wallet address. Wherever that you have BNB, you want to have it sent to this specific address. And once you receive it, it will appear right here at the top. Once you receive the gold BNB, you want to go ahead and actually swap this BNB for the black BNB, again known as Smart Chain. So you can go ahead and do that by clicking on more, and then you scroll down, it'll say swap to Smart Chain. Click on that, and it is a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you want to swap one BNB, you simply have to put one BNB and it'll go ahead and swap it to one Smart Chain BNB. It's 1-to-1. Now, I want you to be aware that every time you swap something, always do a little bit more than what you're thinking of. So go ahead and put 1.1 or 1.2. Always have a little extra just in case. So that way you actually have enough for fees. Once you're done doing that, you want to click on the word swap. The next page will actually be a confirmation page. Make sure you confirm that. Once that is all completed, you've officially swapped your gold BNB for the black BNB known as Smart Chain. The reason why you want to have a little bit of Binance Smart Chain is because many of the projects that use this Trust wallet will require Smart Chain. A few other cool features that you probably want to know about Trust Wallet is that you can actually buy cryptocurrency on here. For example, if you want to buy BNB, you can simply click on BNB and it'll appear the word buy BNB. You can click on that and you can actually put down exactly how much that you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy $500 worth of BNB token, I can go and punch that in, press on next. It'll proceed and actually require me to put in my basic information, my payment information such as credit card, and I will receive my cryptocurrency. It's really that simple. If you actually have an Android phone, you will have an extra feature that says DApp, which allows you to have a browser and you can access decentralized applications or other smart contract protocols on there. However, if you have an iOS, you don't have that feature. And if you do need that feature, you're going to need to download something else such as MetaMask. So that way you can have access to decentralized applications, and you'll probably have to send your smart chain over to that direction. Guys, that's a quick overview of how to use Trust Wallet, how to set it up. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and share, hit that like button, subscribe. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much.